Hey guys, welcome back or to the channel. It's done. It's not done, but it's done. So all the paneling is stripped off, all the nails, pardon my French, and staples, pain in the ass to take out, just saying. So
it's not like TV. It's not like TV. It's not like, hey, demo done. No.
It's
tedious.
Definitely not like TV. So here's the plan. I want to take a nap. So, here's the plan. We were going to start insulating, start putting up paneling, but we're going to seal first. Kilz. Kilz is our best friend, guys. We are going to Kilz all of this. All the wood that you see, we're going to Kilz before we insulate, before we panel. We want to seal it, make sure all the mildew, mold, all that's gone. As you see, we've cleaned it up really nice. So, guys, if you want to see this, the wife's going to do some painting as well. Stay tuned, guys. Don't go anywhere.
What comes next? What comes next? Bust the move.
Okay, guys. Wife's in there painting.
It's great.
We are putting Kilz on all the exposed wood.
Kills in it. Hashtag kills it.
This is where we are right now.
Painting heaven. That's why.
So all the exposed wood. And she's loving it. Look at the look on her face.
Of course, it'll be different than wood.
Awesome, guys. Hey guys, it's the next day. We've Kilzed all the exposed wood. Looks great, smell is gone. But you know what? I was going to take some pictures of the wife after she was done painting. This is my brush handle. This is her brush handle. That gives you any type of idea. She was covered. If you saw a little bit ago, the way she was painting, she was just covered. Jacket, arms, hands. It was hilarious. I wish I would have taken some pictures for you guys. But hey, let me show you what we've got done. Hey guys, as you see, all Kilz. The Kilz is tinted a light gray. The reason it was tinted is because originally we were just going to Kilz over the original paneling that was in here. But as you would have seen in the last videos, after further inspection with the water damage and stuff, we decided to gut this puppy. So we took the Kilz all the new wood that we put in here for the framing, cleaned up, and Kilz all the original wood that's in here. Turned out awesome, no smells. As you would have seen, we also Kilz'd the floor. We took out the original flooring, Kilz'd all the plywood that's there. It's ready for new flooring, guys. So many more projects yet to go, and we are excited. As you would have seen, we got that countertop, dirt cheap, 20 bucks. It's going to go on here. Pretty soon, we're going to be running some electrical, because we're putting lights back in, the water, got to put the sink back in. It's going to be awesome, guys. We got to do insulation still, new paneling. Dwight's got an idea for the front of the bunk, which is going to be pretty cool, and a backsplash. Exciting, very, very exciting. You know what? I have a little secret for you guys. Look what came today. Still within keeping in a budget, doing this as cheap as possible. So we're going to do some electrical. Let's have a sneak peek, shall we? Oh, it's like Christmas. Make a mess of my nicely freshly painted. Oh yeah, I know what this is, guys. Oh, I'm excited. Excited to be putting this puppy in. Look at this, guys. Look at this panel. Oh yeah, built-in 2 USB 5-volt chargers, voltage, 12-volt plug, 5 rocker switches, fused, and everything ready to go on the back. Little labels for the top. This is what we're going to use to run most of our lights. Be able to charge in here. We got some trick stuff coming up for lighting. We're going to do some LED strips, some bulbs, some exterior lighting. You guys are going to want to stay tuned and watch that for sure. Couldn't help it, guys. I had to give you a sneak peek of this. Guys, if you like videos like this, please smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. It takes no time at all for you. Lets you follow us. Makes me and the wife very happy, and we really appreciate it, guys. You know what? You can also hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of the next video that we put out. Until next time, guys, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon. Toodles!